Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a caption on BeReal app. So guys, before going to the app, make sure that you already have an account on BeReal app, and then let's go to your BeReal app. Now into the BeReal app, here you can see under your post add a option, so tap on it. Now you can just add any caption you want, or you can just go back and select the picture that you want to add a caption, and you can see under the picture add a caption option, so you can just tap on it, and now you can add an option anything you want. And after adding a caption, just tap on the blue icon here beside the captions. And guys, here you can see the caption is now added. And that's how you can add a caption on BeReal app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.